Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change your voice into celebrity voices using a free AI tool. This tool allows us to convert any song into different celebrity voices, enabling you to create AI cover songs. However, due to copyright concerns, I won't be showcasing a cover-like feature where another artist will sing a song from another artist. Instead, I will guide you through generating an AI song using a free AI song generator. Afterward, I will show you how to separate vocals and music using a free AI vocal remover and then let a celebrity you like sing it for you. But before we dive in, if you are keen on staying updated about the latest AI tools and how to utilize them effectively, this channel is the perfect resource for you. We regularly provide updates and instructional videos on harnessing AI tools in today's world. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue creating content like this. Now, let's get started. To begin, let us generate our AI song. Open your web browser and visit songr.ai, which is a remarkable song generator tool. You can create your AI song by entering a prompt and clicking the Generate button. Now, let us click Try Song R app. To get started, you will first need to choose the genre that best suits your musical vision. Whether you are into rock, pop, hip-hop, or something more unconventional, the choice is entirely yours. This step sets the tone for your AI-powered musical journey. Once you have settled on a genre, it's time to input your creative prompt. Think of it as the spark that ignites your artistic fire. For instance, if you are feeling inspired by the wonders of artificial intelligence, type in your thoughts, ideas, or themes related to AI. This prompt serves as the guiding light for your AI-generated lyrics. Now, with your genre and prompt in place, it is time to click that inviting arrow button, signaling the app to work its magic. In the blink of an eye, you will witness the transformation of your ideas into AI-generated lyrics that resonate with your chosen theme. It is like having an AI collaborator at your fingertips. And lo and behold the results, AI-generated lyrics that encapsulate the essence of your chosen topic, in perfect harmony with your selected genre. It is a testament to the power of technology merging with creativity. But what if you are not entirely satisfied with the initial output? No worries, the platform offers you the flexibility to refine your creation. You can easily clear the generated lyrics and infuse your personal touch by typing your own. Alternatively, if you are in the mood for another round of inspiration, just hit try again to let the AI generate fresh songs, lyrics tailored to your theme and genre. Once you have sculpted your lyrics to perfection, it is time to bring your musical masterpiece to life. Select a voice actor to lend their unique vocal style to your creation, adding that human touch to the AI-generated lyrics. Then, with everything set, just the way you envision, click Render to initiate the mesmerizing process of generating your AI song, complete with its music. To obtain your AI song in either video or audio format, simply click the download button. But before we move on to the next step, let us take a moment to listen to what our song sounds like. I will just hit the play button.
We'll be able to talk to them and they'll understand. They'll be able to answer all our questions, and we'll wonder how we ever managed without them.
I personally appreciate the lyrics. They make a lot of sense. Although the voice sounds very AI at this stage, don't worry, as we'll be transforming it into a celebrity voice shortly. By the way, what are your thoughts on the lyrics? Do they meet your expectations? I'd love to hear your opinions, so please leave a comment below. Now, our next step is to separate the vocals from the music using a free AI vocal remover. So, we'll be using the platform vocalremover.org for this purpose. Simply click the Browse My File button to upload the AI song we created earlier. Wait for the process to complete. Now, our focus here is to download only the vocals. To do that, I will reduce the music volume to 0 and increase the vocal volume. After making these adjustments, click on Vocal and the file will be saved to your computer. With our desired song ready, it is time to transform our voice into that of a celebrity or a custom voice artist. To access celebrity voices on app.kids.ai, start by visiting the website and clicking the Sign In button. Use your Google account credentials to log in. Once you are logged in, navigate to the royalty-free music page. Here, you'll have the option to choose a celebrity voice for your project. Take your time to browse through and preview the available voices. If you cannot find a specific celebrity you are looking for, don't worry. Click on the community section where you will discover AI celebrity voices contributed by the community, offered for free. If you are searching for someone like Justin Bieber, you can use the search function to locate them more easily. Once you have found the desired AI celebrity voice, select the one with the most uses or hearts to ensure quality. To incorporate the chosen celebrity voice into your project, click the Add or Drop Audio File button. You can also fine-tune and customize the voice further by exploring the Advanced Settings menu. When you are satisfied with your selections, simply click the Convert button to generate your new AI vocal. This series of steps will help you make the most of the celebrity voices available on app.kids.ai. Now, wait for less than a minute or more, depending on your internet speed. Once it is done, click the download button to obtain your freshly generated AI voice. You can also use it to create a video by clicking the video icon next to the download option. But before we proceed, let us listen to Justin Bieber's new song created by our AI.
We'll be able to talk to them and they'll understand. They'll be able to answer all our questions. Then we'll wonder how we ever managed without them.
Wow, what do you think? Does it resemble Justin Bieber's voice? I find quite it similar. To further test this, let us try another artist. We will go back to the community section if you are familiar with BTS. I will attempt to replicate Jin's voice. The process is the same as before. Add the audio, adjust settings if needed, and then convert. You can download the result or simply play it.
We'll be able to talk to them and they'll understand. They'll be able to answer all our questions. And we'll wonder how we ever managed without them. Life will be so much.
Oh, it is quite impressive. It does resemble Jin's voice. Now, for one last test, let us try Harry Styles. Repeat the same process. It is straightforward, right? It would be fascinating to see different artists covering each other's songs. But due to copyright restrictions on YouTube, we are using our own song. However, if you want to make your favorite artist sing another artist's song, just follow the same steps I have demonstrated earlier. It remains consistent. Okay, let us hear how Harry Styles sounds here.
We'll be able to talk to them and they'll understand. They'll be able to answer all our questions. Then we'll wonder how we ever managed without them.
Okay, it sounds great. Isn't it amazing how AI is evolving? Just imagine, these technologies are still developing, and soon we might not be able to distinguish between AI and real voices. It is both fascinating and a bit intimidating. We know that AI can bring benefits, but if not used properly, it could also pose risk. But anyway, what are your thoughts on these AI voices? Do they resemble the original artist? Did it surprise you? I'd love to hear your thoughts on whether this platform is a positive or a negative development. So please, leave your comments below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this AI covered song tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so to stay updated with AI related content. I'd also appreciate it if you could like and share this video to support my work. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.